Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can use voice typing in Windows 11. So for this purpose, let's open up setting, right click on the start menu and click on setting. After that, go to accessibility, and here you have to scroll down and click on speech, and here you will see this option right here, voice typing. Press the window logo plus H, and after that select the mic button. So let's do this. Press window plus H, and this section will appear. From here you have to simply open up let's open up a new notepad, and let's click a blank document. Now press window plus H. Hello, how are you? And let's see, as you can see, it's typing what I'm saying. So that's how you can use voice typing in Windows 11. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.